Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2V Vision to Victory. Guys, we already completed almost three different videos from quantitative aptitude and three different videos from logical reasoning. If you guys have missed those videos, go and watch those videos. Then you can understand that what are the different approaches for each and every question. And I already discussed both concept and different calculations in quantitative aptitude, and already discussed all the concept and logics for logical reasoning also. So let's start our session. We'll discuss 20 more questions in quantitative aptitude. So first set, see, so try to understand the data interpretation. See, information, it's a pie chart. You already know that. See, the two pie chart shows the percentage of mobile of five different brands sold in 2011 and 2012. And read the data carefully and answer this question. And 2011 data given and 2012 data given, and there is a no number, guys, so there is a no comparison here, so you have to take the information from questions and solve those. Let's see this data. If number of Samsung mobiles sold on 2011 is 60 percentage of number of Samsung mobiles sold on 2012. 2011, 2012. Just assuming that if there are 100 mobiles which are sold in 2012. So here the comparison says that number of Samsung mobiles sold in 2011 is 60 percentage. See, in 2011, number of Samsung mobiles sold is exactly equal to 60. Now the question, what is the total number of mobiles sold in 2011 is what percentage more or less number of mobiles sold in 2012? Guys, first identify the percentage value. Identify the percentage value of Samsung in 2011. So 2011 it is exactly equal to 20 percentage. Guys, if 20 percentage is 60, here total number of mobiles is exactly equal to 300 according to this information. In 2012, it is exactly equal to 25 percentage. 25 percentage. It means your total number of mobiles sold on 2012 is exactly equal to 400. Why? Because see, 25 percentage out of 100 percentage, 25 percentage were Samsung mobiles in 2012 and 2011. 20 percentage is 60, 100 percentage is 300. In the same way, 25 percentage is 100 and the 100 percentage is 400. Now the question here, 2011 data when compared to the 2012, how much percentage whether it is more or less, guys? Number of mobiles sold on 2011 is 300, 2012 is 400, so which is less. So how many mobiles are less? They sold 100 mobiles less when compared to the 2012 data. Remember, guys, comparison is our denominator. So denominator must be 2012 information. So answer is 25% less. So 25% less. Guys, say this information to your friends, guys, who are preparing for upcoming competitive examinations. They will, this entire explanation will help their preparation. So we'll see second question. Let's go through this. See the question number two. If total mobiles sold in 2012, see they given as total number of mobiles on 2012. So now here information dealing with the total mobiles. 40% is more than number of mobiles sold on 2011. Guys, again, just assuming that there are 100 mobiles sold on 2011, in a question, there is a comparison. 40% is more mobiles were sold means 140 mobiles sold on 2012. Another question. Then find the number of Apple mobiles sold on 2011. In what percentage of Apple mobiles sold on 2012? Check it out. See how many mobiles Apple mobiles sold on 2011. See here Apple is represented green color. So it's a value of 25%, guys. Here 25% is out of 25%. So if it is 100 mobiles, 25 mobiles were Apple. In 2012, check it out, it's a 30 percentage, right? So here just identify the 30 percentage value. 30 percentage means 3 is multiplied by 14. So it's a value of 42. Now here the question. See what percentage. See 42 is. Here the question. See then what is the Apple mobile sold in? What percentage the number of Apple mobile sold in 2012? So 2011. So total 25 mobiles sold which are Apple in 2012 is 42, which is multiplied by 100. That's your answer. So 21 times, it's a 50 times. So here 1250 divided by 21. Guys, you already know that see 21 6 are 126. So approximately, for example, if 21 is multiplied by 60 times, it's a value of 1260. So 1250 means 10 units less. So here the option is 59.52%. Next. Everyone just try these questions, guys. Post your answers in the comments. I will check your comments. See the question here. If the total number of mobiles sold in 2011 is 45% more than the total number of mobiles sold in 2012. Again, 2011 and 2012. Guys, here the information clearly mentioned that it's a 45% more. Again, assuming that there are 100 mobiles sold in 2012 and 2011 data is 45% more. So it's a value of 145. Now, the sum of Oppo mobiles sold on 2011. So 2011, guys, in 2011, how many Oppo mobiles are sold? It's a 30 percentage, guys. It's a 30 percentage. And 2011 and 2012 together, here Oppo value is 20 percentage. It's a value of 20 percentage. Just calculate it here. See, 30 percentage means 145 is multiplied by 3, 15, 3. It's a 43.5. So 43.5 units. Here 20% of 100 become 20. So sum of these values is exactly equal to 63.5 units is exactly equal to 2540. Here the question, find the number of Vivo mobiles sold in 2011. So how many Vivo mobiles are sold is exactly equal to 10%. So here 10 units is equal to Vivo mobiles. Guys, Vivo mobiles means it's a 10 percentage of 145. So 10 percentage of 145 means it's a 14.5 units is equal to how much? Just cross multiply them, you will get the answer. So here 2540 which is multiplied by 145 and 635. Is it clear, guys? Now here if you multiply 635 by 4 times and 145 is multiplied by 4 times, it's a 400. 45 2s are 90 and 45 4s are 180 and the whole answer is 580. Go to the question number 4. If number of Redmi mobiles sold in 2011 is 3000 more than the number of and number of mobiles sold in 2012 is 2000. So here Redmi, see Redmi data given in 2011 is exactly equal to 3000. Next information, number of Samsung mobiles given. So the data is related for 2012 is exactly equal to 2000. Now the question, find the difference between Oppo mobiles sold in 2011, Apple sold in 2012. See, first of all, we have a Redmi here. So in 2011, how many Redmi mobiles are sold here? 15%. Guys, 15% is 3000. Then calculated that. See, if 15% is equal to 3000, don't calculate the total value. We need Oppo mobile sold on 2011. So in 2011, Oppo, how many mobiles are sold in Oppo? Your Oppo is 30%. Guys, 15% is 3000. Definitely 30% is 6000. That's enough. No need to calculate it individual values. It takes a time. Again, we need to identify that Apple sold in 2012. So here Apple is represented green color. It's a 30 percentage, guys. And before that, identify the Samsung value. It's a 25 percentage. Now see, if 25 percentage is equal to 2000, now what about 30 percentage? That's your question. Now see, it's a 5 times, it's a 6 times, here 4 times, and the overall value is equal to 2400. Now the question, what is the difference of these two numbers? 6000 and 2400 difference is 3600. It's a difference of 3600 mobiles. Guys, just try this question, guys. Hope you understand that how I am taking the data in a table. Just go through this question and post your answer in the comment section. Let's move on to the next one. Now you just tell me what is the wrong number in the given series. So everyone just try to solve this question, guys. It's a number, see. It's a 17, 23, 34, 145, 1256, 12367. Guys, just find the difference. It's 11 units, right? Here the next number is 111. Here next value is 1111, 4 ones. Here the next value is 1111. It's a 5 ones, guys. See, definitely first difference we required 1. But remember, guys, we already know that 11, 111, 1111, 11,000. All these numbers are right, means definitely 23, 34, 145. All these numbers are correct. So which one is the wrong number? It's a 17. 17 is the wrong number. It's very good, Nana. 17 is the wrong number. Next, 39, 90, 284, 725, 1509, and 2734. Just tell me, what is the wrong number in the series? You can just find the difference here. So if you add plus 1, it's a 40 and difference is 51 units. It's a difference of 51 units. What can be the next difference? See, here 90 and 284. Guys, if you add plus 10, for example, 100, 184. Total difference is 194. It's clear? Just find the difference here. 5 minus 4 is 1, 12 minus 4 is 4, and it's a 441. Guys, while seeing 441, it may be a perfect square. Next, now check it out. It's a 4 units, it's a 8 units, it's a 7 units. It's a 784 is also square number, guys. It's a square number. Now again find the difference here. It's a 1225. Guys, you already know that 1225 is a 35 square, right? And you already know that this is the value of 28 square. And this is exactly a 21 square. So we need these numbers should be a 14 square and a 7 square. Guys, identify the wrong number. See, here 441 is the wrong number, means definitely 284, 725 is perfectly right number. After the numbers is also correct. Why? Because we are getting those numbers as square number. So which one is the wrong number? Means it's a 90. 90 is the wrong number. Was the wrong number? 2, 4, 8, 48, 240, 1440. Guys, you already know that. See, if 240 is multiplied by 6 times is 1440. If 48 is multiplied by 5 times, it becomes 240. Now here numbers. So what about the previous number? See, it can be a 4, guys. See, if you want 4 means definitely instead of 8 we need 12. Now next number, see, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So which one is the wrong number? Means 8 is the wrong number. What is the wrong number? As you already know that if 625 is divided by 5, definitely it is 125. But 125 becomes 75. It's a difficult one. Now what I understand that, see, we need which is divided by 1 by 5, right? So it's a 1 by 5. Let make it as in this way. So next number can be a 2 by 5. Let us assume in this way. 3 by 5, whether it is right or wrong, just verify in a final. Now 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Definitely 24 will get 24. Now what about the 75? You already know that, see. So we need these number must be 50, guys. Why? Because see, 525 is 25 twos are 50. And 50 is multiplied by 3 by 5, you will get 30. That's why here wrong number is 75. Wrong number is 75. Next. What is the wrong number? So you can find the difference here. It's a value of 30. 30 units means it's a value of 40 units. The difference of 40 units. Here, see, if you add plus 3, it's a 120 plus 48. 48 plus 3 means it's a value of 51 units. Now, here the difference of 17. It's a difference of 8. It's a difference of 4. So just find the pattern here. Then you will get that what is the wrong number. Now 4, 8, see 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are not 17, guys. 17, 40, 51. See, then again just find the difference here. Just find the double difference. I'll check your comments, guys. So you can find the double difference here. It's 11 units. Here, see, it's a difference of 23 units. Again here the difference of exactly, see, the difference of 4 units, it's a difference of 11 units, it's a 23, again it is 11. Guys, if you observe carefully, now see, 4, 8, 17. So 17 means is here 117 is the wrong number. Why? Because is after 17, either it is increases slight numbers. Why? Because after that, after 40 and 51, difference is less, right? Just find the double difference, you will get the logic, guys. Next, find the relation here. See what are the initial factors and final factors. Here a value is 1 and y in both the equations a value is equal to 1 and b value is equal to 9, c value is equal to 90. We need product must be 90 and addition must be like we need plus 9 in the factors. Now you already know that, see, 15, 6 are 90, we need negative symbol means take a higher number is positive, lowest number is negative. So final factor should be depends on the opponent sign. Minus 15 plus 6. The same way 56, we need negative symbol, minus 7, minus 8. Final factors plus 7 plus 8. And you already know that minus 15 plus 6 is always less than plus 7 and plus 8. So here the relation x is less than y. Guys, we have a 10 root 3. Let me tell you. So if you want to find the roots for a root for any under root values, first take those that value root 3 and root 3. Guys, if root 3 is multiplied by another root 3, the resultant is 3 only, 3 itself only. We need resultant of 48. So what is the possibility for 48? So we see if root 3 is equal to 3, 3 become 48 is 16. Just find the roots for 16. So 8 to the 16. So here initial roots is minus 8 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. So final roots plus 8 root 3, 2 root 3. Now again 120, find the factors for 120 here. 15 and 18 minus 15 minus 8. Final factors is plus 15 and plus 8. Now just compare these ratio, guys. If you want any proper comparison, square of these numbers. If you go through the square of these numbers, see 8 square 64, 64 threes are 64 threes are 192. The same way 2 square is equal to 4, 4 threes are 12. 15 square is equal to 225, 8 square is equal to 64. Now you can compare. It's a less than value, it's a greater than value, guys. Here it's a less than, it's a greater than. In comparison, if you have two different symbols, so answer cannot be established. And we are not sure with that relation. Now see 2.4. So we want minus of 3.1. So what is the possibility means? So definitely here the factors is 15. 1.5 is multiplied with 1.6. Why? Because 15 16s are 240, right? So here final factors is plus 1.5 plus 1.6. In the same way 2.8. You just tell me what are the factors for 2.8. If you want to remove the decimal, you can assume like multiply both the number with a 10, then you will get the equation is 10x square, 310, 31x and 24. In the same way 10y square, 27y and minus of 28. Now 28 into 10 is equal to 280, then still you will get the factors. That's your call, guys. So factors for 2.8. So we want plus 2.7, guys. See, if you feel difficult, consider as a 280. Then find the factors for 280. What are the factors for 280? We want 27, right? It's a negative symbol. So negative symbol means definitely one should be the higher value, other one should be the lower value. Guys, I'm waiting for your answer. Point 0.8 and 1.0, but we need 2.7, Nandini. If you add or find the difference, we want 2.7, Nandana. Think. Otherwise, you can split the value, for example. So you can split the value in this way. If 28 and 10, but you never get 2.7, right? For example, split the 28. So 28 can be split into the 7 into 4. 10 can be split as 5 into 2. Then out of these four factors, multiply them, then you will convert it into the two product factors. See, 7 5s are how much, Nana? 35. 4 2s are how much? 28. See, here the factor should be plus 35 minus 8. So if you find the difference, you will get 2.7. You try to learn in this way. If you feel difficult, then split into the individual factors. Then you can identify the product of those numbers, you will get the result. So here the final factors is minus 3.5 minus 0.8. So it's 0.8 It's a negative symbol. It's not 35, it's a 3.5. Hope it's clear? Yes, 35 is multiplied by 8. Very good. Now just tell me the relation now. What is the relation between x and y? See, these two are positive symbols, right? These are negative symbols. Definitely x is greater than y. Let me tell you one point. Remember, this is the negative symbol. Definitely final factor should be a positive. And this is the positive symbol. Final factor should be a negative. And positive is always greater than negative. It's a direct answer. But try to understand the procedure first of all. Then, if you guys are too good at a practices, then you can solve these kind of questions in within the seconds. Just based on the signs. See, one represent a negative. Negative is possible. Both are should be a positive. And positive can be derived from both are negative. Positive is always greater than negative. See, simple. But when we'll get this kind of confidence means through practice only. It's very good, Nana. Go through the next one. Now see, Sandeep sold an article to Mohan 14.28%. Guys, 14.28% means it's a 1/7 of value. When sold an article, Harsha at a 25% loss. Let us assuming that, see, cost to price of article should be assuming as 7 multiple. Why? Because we have a denominator of 7. Let us assuming that cost to price of article is 70x. What about the selling price? I use it to sell it for 14.28% of profit. Now I am selling it for 80x. Now again, Sandeep sold it to Harish. Now see, Sandeep sold an article to Mohan. See, first Sandeep to Mohan. Next one. Now Mohan is sold the article to Harish at a loss of 25%. Guys, at a loss of 25% means cost to price of Harish is exactly equal to 60x. Why? Because it's so not 60x. So 1/4 of loss means 20 is lost. So it's a value of 60x. Yes. If Harish purchased it in an article at a cost of 552, guys, if 60x is exactly equal to 552. Now the question, find the market price of the article if Sandeep purchased it for 150 rupees discount. First, identify that what is the cost price of Sandeep here. Now what is the cost price of Sandeep here? 70x. Just cross multiply them. 552 is multiplied by 70x divided by 60x. X cancel, 0 cancel. Now here how many times see? 6 nines are 54. 6 twos are 12. So answer 92 is multiplied by 7 times. 4 times 644. Guys, you already bought a discount of 150 rupees. If you add 150 rupees, now it become market price. Go through the next one. Now see, the salary of Arnav is 30% less than the Rahul, and salary of Rahul is 55.55% of Mohan. Now guys, 55.55% means it's a value of 5 by 9. Let us assuming that Mohan's salary is 90 units. Now what about the Rahul salary? Rahul salary is 5 by 9th of Mohan, so it's exactly 50 rupees. Now what about Arnav's salary? It's 30% less. 30% less means 70% of Rahul's salary. 70% of 50 is 35. Now the question, by what percentage of salary Arnav is more or less than Mohan? So definitely it's a less. How much of less here? Here how much of difference means it's a 55 units of difference. And they clearly compared with a Mohan. So denominator is Mohan. So answer 550 is divided by 9 percentage of less. So converted into the decimals here. So 9 6 54. It's a 61.11%. Just guys, you should identify that whether it is less or more. Why? Because there is a possible options can be 61.11% is more or 61.11% is less. Now you already know that probability of any event, favorable conditions divided by total conditions. Just identify that what are the total cases and then out of total cases how many are favorable. Now question C. So there are 7 red balls, 5 pink balls, 4 green balls in a box. If 2 balls are randomly, see if 2 balls are drawn randomly, then what is the probability of at least one of them, guys? At least means greater than or equal to that number. Either at least means minimum one green or both are green. So either one green or both greens. Clear. What is the probability get one green ball means it's a 4C1. Guys, we are drawing 2 balls, right? So if one green and remaining one ball can be either red or pink. So that's why here total probability is 12C1. Or probability of both can be a green balls. If both are green balls means definitely there is no other balls. So here 4 is multiplied by 12, 48 times, 48. And 4C2, you already know that 4C2 means 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, it's a value of 6. Here overall value is 54. That's a favorable outcome. But what about the total outcomes here? So total how many balls are there? So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 ball. Out of 16 ball, we need 2 balls. So 16 2 means 16 is multiplied by 15 and denominator is 2 into 1. So 8 15s are 120. Guys, out of 120 possibilities, so 54 are favorable to our condition. So here probability to pick at least one green ball is 9 by 20. Next. Now the average of 7 consecutive positive integers is 57. Then what is the product of largest and smallest? Guys, remember that. Remember this point. For solving any consecutive questions in an average, remember that average is always lies in middle position. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7 position, remember that this is an average. And they clearly mention that it's a consecutive numbers. Remember guys, this concept is applicable for only consecutive numbers. If any numbers, average is always lies in middle position. And they given it is 57. Guys, they clearly mention that it's a consecutive positive integers. Here the difference between number to number is 1. So what about the first number here? So if you want decrease one number or directly you can take the number. It's a 54. It's a 59 and it's a 60. Here the question 54 is multiplied by 60. 3240. Go to the next question. Now see this question. In the year 2011, the population of city A was 33.33% more than the population of city of B. 33.33 means it's a one third of value. In 2011, city A, population of city B in the population. So 2011 city population is 33.33% more than this city B. Guys, one third means assuming that there are 300 people. So one third is more means definitely 400 people. Assume in this way. See, if you want to assume any value, that completely a multiples of denominator. Take this clue point, guys. Now in city A, 2012 increased by 25%. 25% means one fourth value is increases. Means every 100 people, guys, one fourth means every 4 people, 1. Every 400 people, 100 people are increases. Means now the new population is 500. Another question, what is the population of city A in 2012? So here the data is related for 2012. Was 2270. So 500 units is exactly equal to 2270. Then what was the population of city B in 2011? So it's how many units here? 300 units. So 2270 is multiplied by 3 divided by 5. So 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 27, 5 fives are 25, 5 fours are. Now final multiplication. 4 threes are 12, 5 threes are 15, 16, 4 threes are 12. It's a 1362. Option B. Next. Guys, I already discussed so many times finding the any square root means a square, 2ab, b square. Let me tell you 17 square. So 1 square is 1. 2ab means 2 into 1 into 7, 14. 1 carry forward. 7 square is 49. 9, 4 carry forward. So your answer is 289. Let me repeat with the 16 square also. 1, 2ab, 2 into 1 into 6 is equal to 12. 1 carry forward. 6 square is equal to 36. 256. Hope it's clear. Now you already know that if you take minus 17 square to the other side, it becomes an addition. So 256, 289. So 544. Now what about 112 is multiplied by 98? 98 can be taken as 100 minus 2. It's 11,200 and you have to subtract it 200 and guys you have to subtract it 224 units. Now you already know that see for 11,200 and 200 we left with 11,000. 11,000 minus 24. Is use smarter calculation guys. So just subtracted 11,000 minus 24. You already know that 100 minus 24 is always 76 as a units place. Now here the value become 10,976. So add all the numbers. So fine. Say 1 carry forward here, carry over. So 2, 5, 11. So 11, 5, 2, 1 is the option. So that's it from today's session, guys. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. If you want this PDF, you can download from my official Telegram channel. Simply search at the rate of V2VVK. You can get my channel, guys. If you have any query, you can reach me through Instagram or Telegram. Links are available. Go through the description. You can get my links. And I already uploaded many videos for different competitive examinations. And future also, I will take live session on 9 p.m. Join with us, learn the concept, and crack your dream job, guys. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.